Hi you guys, my name is Ngozi or Sherry, whichever you prefer to call me, and I am back with another video. In today's video I'm going to be talking about my alopecia. I'm going to be giving you an update on that. I am headed to work in about an hour and it's raining outside, so I'm not able to really do my hair because a hairstyle will not hold up. So today I'm going to be putting on this wig that I have in this bag. So hopefully this works out, otherwise I have to change the wig that I'm wearing. I bought this wig on AliExpress.com and it's supposed to be like a finger coil type of wig, straw set finger coil. When I saw this wig I was very curious because I know I've been wanting to put my hair in some finger coils and I just haven't had the time or the energy to want to do it. So this is how the wig comes in that net. I just took off the net. It's very soft, very curly, clearly curly. Comes with just this piece of paper in it. And I'm not sure if it's just wrapped this way because of the cost of it or whatever. It's a regular just type of net on the inside that the hair is attached to, and there is the typical bands in the back of the hair where you would secure it to make it loose or tighter. I like my wigs to fit pretty tight so that they have some sense of security because I don't like to use the combs that come with wigs, so I prefer to put the bands on as tight as I can get them. Alright, so I'm going to just secure those bands, put this on. There is no lace. There's a string there. There is no lace with this wig, so you kind of gotta make it work for the front, pull it down in the front, but we will see what we need to do with this wig. I'll go ahead and put this on. So again, there's no combs in this wig, so you kind of got to make this work for how you would want it to. And already I do like the wig, but I can see that there's going to be some manipulating to the wig to make it look a little bit more natural. But already, and I did get one with this color combination. I forget what color it is. I'll put it in the description box and a link to this color combination. But just first impression, I am definitely happy about the coils, the look. They look very natural. Okay, so this is the wig right out the box. Just put on my head. I like the color. I used to have my hair colored like this with the tips, this kind of orangey brown color. There's some kind of part right here that's being defined. I don't know. I'm going to just turn the wig and kind of see how this will look if it was a side part. Not bad. I love it, you guys. I have to say, this is probably the easiest carefree wig I've ever put on that gives me the look of a straw set without having to do a lot of work to it. And it looks so natural, and I think even turning it to the side helps to, even though you can still see that, but I think one of the things you can do with that is, if you want, you can cut that, or in my case, because my hair is natural, maybe pull it back a slight bit if you want some of your own hair on your edges to show. Kind of, you know, maneuver your edges down. This is how it looks on my edges. I have a big head, so most wigs do not fit comfortably on my edges. Alright, you guys. What you could do is maybe pull apart some of these coils to kind of camouflage that, but I wouldn't do that until this wig got old, in a sense, so I would pretty much leave this just like this. I have something on my face. Okay. I love it. You guys, what do you think? This is going to be the fastest straw set, coil out, or coiled hairstyle that you will ever probably see. I'm very pleased with this. I'll turn so you can see. Alright, so in terms of my alopecia, what I've noticed is that my hairline is pretty much still good, but I've noticed that my hair is thinning along my edges. After I had my daughter, I could tell that my hairline, while it did grow back in, wasn't as thick as it used to be, so it has thinned out quite a lot. But I've also noticed that I have this type of space in between like my edges and the back of my hair where I actually have my alopecia, and I've noticed that my spot that was like a bald spot, really, even though it has hair on it, because the hair is so thin and so fine, it looks like a bald spot to the naked eye. I've noticed that that has gotten larger, and I'm also noticing that on the other side of my head that it's appearing to have the same look of a bald spot, but the hair is just really fine, so you can't really tell that it's hair there from a distance, but there is still hair. And so overall, I have seen some loss or experienced some loss when it comes to my hair, but I also have not been doing anything in the past like 3 or 4 years to tend to my edges or my alopecia, kind of how I was doing before, where I had this very strict regimen where I was using different oils and massaging my scalp. I was practicing better hair care, so I have seen a diminishing quality of my edges based on the hair care practices that I have been doing since pretty much 2018. So I think overall my hair is showing the result kind of how I just haven't given it some TLC. Can it be reversed? I don't know. I probably have let it go on too long to where it might be irreversible damage. So my plan and goal for this year is to kind of get back to tending to my edges and my hair and my alopecia, remaking the oils that I used to use in the past, and just kind of seeing if those kind of help bring some life back to my edges, or at least maintain it to where I don't see any more hair loss on my edges. All right. So that's my update for my edges and my alopecia and my hair of the day. If you have any questions about this hair, I'll leave the link to where I purchased it in the description box in the color that I actually purchased. And as always, thank you guys for watching. Thank you to my new subscriber. Thank you to my faithful and old subscribers. And I'll see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.